everyone, take a look in the middle of your groups and you will see a fish. Look at your fish and think about what you see. Do you see the eyes, the fins, the gills? Does your fish have scales? What is your fish doing? Now think about how it became an adult fish. Now take out your science journals and write a couple sentences about what you've seen and describe how you think a fish becomes an adult fish. Today we are going to be learning about the life cycle of a fish. The learning goal is that students will be able to explain the life cycle of a fish, and the standard that is being addressed is Life Science 1B, Growth and Development of Organisms. The materials that will be used is the science journals and the fish. The first stage of the life cycle of a fish is called the egg. This is where the embryo is formed. The eyes and tails develop, and when the fish is in warm water, it hatches faster than fish who live in cold water. There are different things, though, that determine whether or not the egg will survive. Some eggs don't survive because of the water temperature and predators. Here are some pictures of the life cycle of the fish. So you'll see the 3 different stages, and then this is a picture of an egg, and you can see the eye starting to form. The second stage of the life cycle is called a fry. This is where the fish starts to eat on his own and the yolk sac disappears. Before the yolk sac disappeared, this is how the fish would eat. So in this picture you see a fish with its yolk sac still attached, so that is where it gets its food from. And then once it reaches the second stage, the fry, this is how the fish will look after, and the yolk sac disappeared. The final stage of the life cycle is the adult stage. This is where the fish is completely finished growing and they are able to reproduce. Fish mature at all different times. Here's a picture of an adult fish, and here's a picture of a shark. They are both considered a fish. Now that we have seen the life cycle of a fish, we're going to review a little. So I would like you guys to pair share and share one thing that you guys found interesting about the life cycle of a fish. Once you guys are done with that, I want you guys to take out your science journals and answer these 4 discussion questions. The first question is, how many parts are in the life cycle of a fish? Number 2, name the different stages of the life cycle. Number 3, what is the sac in the second stage called? And number 4, name 3 parts of a fish.